All right, now that you've been through our lesson, let's sum up what you should have learned. Let's go ahead and talk about what is Big Six and what are those steps. You should feel more confident in your research abilities. What are the 6 steps? First, task definition. First thing you want to do, define what you are trying to do. Second, information seeking strategies. Determine the best way to find your information. Third, location and access. Find resources and begin pulling out things that may help you. Fourth, use of information. Read, hear, view, or touch your information, and then pull out the relevant information. Fifth, synthesis. Organize your information and figure out how you are going to present it. And finally, sixth, evaluation. Evaluate what you did, what worked well, and what you will do better next time. Thank you for learning about Big Six. I know you're going to be a great researcher now that you've sat through this lesson. I appreciate you giving me your attention, and now it's your turn.